Yo, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm outside right now enjoying the morning. Happy hump day for everyone out there. Happy hump day. All right, so real quick in this video, I wanted to talk about the reason why I dropped Visible Mobile. On the 16th, I was supposed to renew my service with Visible. I decided not to. And it's not that there was anything negative about the company. Big shout outs to Visible. Again, their service is top notch, okay? The service connection with Verizon has been top notch in my city. I have no complaints about connection or anything like that. But the reason why I had to let them go is because they don't have a family service. And, you know, I have kids, more than one kid. And so I need something that is going to provide. So like the last 2 months, I've been kind of searching whether I was going to go to Metro by T-Mobile and bring, you know, basically start like as many lines as I can. Because I need to have 6 lines total, okay? Some of them only offer like good rated discounted plans at 5 lines, you know, not 6. So as I was biding my time, for some reason Google decided to do an unlimited and max out at 6 lines. I was like, great, that's gonna be perfect. That's gonna be perfect for me. So I already activated a Google Fi line last month, so this is going to be my 2nd month back with Google Fi. And I'm gonna make the switch, like the whole family switch. So I was like, okay, you know, I was looking at their unlimited plans for family, a little pricey, $200+ for 6 lines. So I ended up contacting Google Fi yesterday, and I was asking them, does the same services still apply? Like, if I switch over to unlimited, can I still get data-only SIM cards to like run on my IoTs? And the response I got back was yes, you can still get data-only SIM cards to run off your IoTs, and you can get multiple ones if you need them. They all pull from your number. So I was like, if I got 2 lines, of from Google Fi and 4 data only SIM cards, 2 connected to one number, 2 connected to the other number, basically I would be paying $120 plus tax a month for technically 6 lines, because my kids don't really do phone calls. They rather call you on Instagram, you know, video, messenger, or whatever, right? Like, they're data users, so give them a data-only SIM and let them go nuts on that. And the only 2 people in the family that need it are the parents that need actual physical numbers. So that's my unorthodox way of doing it. So yeah, I'm going to be switching over to the new unlimited plans from Google Fi. And I know I said this last night in the car vlog, and I'm just going to reiterate it, but if you're already a current Google Fi customer and you're planning on switching to the unlimited, one, you have to do it where it's going to switch you over at the start of your next bill cycle, and that's because they really want to avoid the proration. Because yes, Google Fi does do proration on your bill. Like, if you were to pause your service on Google Fi and then reactivate it, you would get charged for the amount of days you used in the current bill cycle that you reactivated it in, plus 1 month in advance. That's a prorated bill. Now, to avoid this, they want you to switch over. However, you have to expect that your bill is going to be high, because the flexible Google Fi plan, you're billed in arrears. So you use what you use first, and then you're billed at the end of your bill cycle, and that's what you pay for. The unlimited plans is just like prepaid, so you will pay up front. So say you use 2 gigs of data and $20 for 5 basics, that's $40. So your bill is going to be about $40 plus taxes and fees. But then you switch over to the unlimited single line at $70, so that's $40 plus $70 that you're going to be paying on that bill date. And yeah, that is how it's going to work. Now, that's not a prorated bill. They're not cheating you, because the flexible plan bills in arrears, and the unlimited plan you pay up front. So you're not being cheated. But yes, you're gonna have a higher bill than usual because of the timing. So I just wanted to let people know that. So technically, like I said, my way of doing this, to have 6 lines, is 2 physical lines, that is $120 plus tax a month, and 4 data only SIM cards allows me to have 6 lines on a family share, basically. That's what I'm going to do. And that's what I say, like, there's so much things you can do with Google Fi to configure it to what your needs are. So that's pretty much it for right now, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like. Thanks so much if you just hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk to y'all later. Aloha.